Hi everyone and welcome back to Pigtree. Oh. Hi there. For this alien soap you will need glow-in-the-dark green mica, activated charcoal powder, fragrance oil, I went with tea tree, 2 embeds for eyes. These are actually my first attempt at rebatch soap, so are a bit chunky looking. Scrapers, I just cut these out of cardboard. I have one for the mouth and one for the head, and when you put them together they kind of look like an alien head shape. Perfect. As always, I mix my oils with lye water. I love watching it emulsify. It's such a transformation turning oils to soap, and probably one of my favourite parts of soap making. I add my fragrance oil, glow-in-the-dark powder and a tiny bit of activated charcoal. My vision is for this alien to be grey by day and glow green at night. I mix these in by hand. I'm starting to learn my lesson about overmixing, so this should mean that the batter stays nice and liquid. Now I drew up an image for how I wanted my alien face to look. To achieve this I poured the bottom layer. As you can see it was very liquidy, so I had to wait for it to slightly set. Then I used my first scraper to create a divot for the mouth. I went over it a few times until I was happy that it was relatively uniform. I added the charcoal powder, trying to stay within the mouth divot and trying to make the layer quite thin so that the mouth would be defined. Then I carefully covered the charcoal, trying not to disturb it too much before pouring in the second main layer, bringing us up to alien eye level. I grabbed my first embed and popped it in the soap. Now here's where I made a mistake and didn't remember which angle I put the first embed in and ended up having to move it around. In the end it ended up looking like a happy alien rather than the mean looking alien I was going for. Anyway, once I was happy with where the embeds were placed, I added the rest of the soap, trying to be gentle and not move the embeds below. When all the soap was piled on, I waited for it to set up a bit more and then used my head scraper to create a domed top. I left it overnight to set and then demoulded my alien loaf. I tried to cut it using my wooden cutter and it worked, but I still think the cheese slicer is easier. I beveled the alien slices, trying to make the head even rounder. Then I shined a UV light at them to test if they would glow in the dark. The good news is that they do. The bad news is that I only managed to take a picture as none of my video recording equipment would pick it up. Overall, pretty happy with this one, but next time I'll definitely keep more of an eye on where I put the embeds. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, why not watch another one, or even better, subscribe so that you never miss out.